This is math lesson part 3 for May 28th, 2020. You'll need your pencil, eraser, and math book page 352. It's the same lesson we've been doing. Leanne has 23 tiles with dimensions of 1 foot by 1 foot. She wants to tile a hallway that is 8 feet long and 3 feet wide. Does she have enough tiles? Well, so the hallway is a rectangle, right? And you label it with 3 feet and 8 feet. She wants to tile the hallway with these little tiles, 1 foot tiles. So when you label this, how do you find the area? Do you add the sides or multiply? It's 3 rows of 8. So find the answer to 3 rows of 8. Is 3 rows of 8 23 or less? Then she would have enough. When you're finding the hallway tiles, how many squares will fit in the hallway? Are you finding perimeter, area, or side length? Does she have enough? Is 3 times 8 23 or less? Or will she have to go back to the store? How many more does she need if she has to go back to the store? Mrs. Brown has 48 1-foot pieces of garden fence for her new vegetable garden. She wants to have as much room as possible to plant the vegetables. What dimensions should she use for the garden? Ooh, this is a fun one. Very fun. She has 48 pieces of fence. You're going to have to do some experimenting. What's going to give her the most space with 48 pieces of fence? Should her garden be a square? You have to use up 48 pieces of fence. Or should her garden be a rectangle? Now, when you're talking about the fence around her garden, are you talking about area or perimeter? What dimensions should she use? What side lengths? Sorry, that was a bad question mark. What side lengths should she use? Now, we know the perimeter is 48. So are we trying to find the perimeter, or she wants to have as much room as possible? Are we finding the area, or when it says what dimensions should she use, which is that side lengths? What are we actually finding? This is more than a one-step problem. If you need help from an adult, you can ask. Martha has 20